The engines on the island of Sodor love the host. The Fat Controller arranges lots of Music can often be heard drifting.
Silence!
One morning, the engines were very excited. Alicia Bollocks, the famous singer, was coming. She's Dirty Percy.
Don't call me Dirty Percy.
What's a coloratura? Asked Thomas.
What's this? Educating
Thomas
Day?
That's not Alicia Bollocks, boasted James. That's the Fat Controller in the dress. None might coming on me too, said Thomas. Choo choo. Well, one thing's for sure, said Gordon. He won't choose Dirty Percy.
Don't call me Dirty Percy.
Ah, who cares? You green bastard. Fuck you, Gordon.
And he wished away.
But the next day, Thomas felt very important indeed. Soon, Thomas was shiny and squeaky clean. But as the workers coupled Annie and Clarabelle, they heard a strange noise. What's that? Asked Thomas anxiously. His driver quickly oiled Annie and Clarabelle's undercarriage. Thomas squeaked noisily into the quayside where Alicia Bollocks was waiting. The Fat Controller held Clarabelle's door open. Definitely a coloratura, said Gordon. Alicia Bollocks was fucking cross. The Fat Controller was very embarrassed.